The world inside the computer lay silent. For hours, no light flickered, no signal pulsed, and no data moved through the neon streets. The circuits slept like a city in a deep winter night, waiting for a spark to bring life to its hidden heartbeat. Then, a single press, a power button, sent a ripple through the entire digital landscape. Electricity surged along the veins of the motherboard, illuminating streets and towers one by one. A low hum grew into a chorus of energy, vibrating through the RAM districts, over the storage warehouses, and up to the towering CPU command center. The system had awakened. From the central power plant, turbines roared into life, sending life-giving energy through thick cables that wound through the city. Lights flickered on in the tallest towers, neon streets glowed, and the data workers, tiny, hyperactive RAM operators, raced to their posts. Streams of binaries zipped through the thoroughfares like glowing cars on light-speed highways. At the heart of the city, the CPU rose like a command fortress. Each core blinked awake, scanning the network, orchestrating the countless operations that would flow through the system. The BIOS archives floated above the city like ancient scrolls, handing down instructions and rules to the workers below. Every calculation, every task, perfectly timed, perfectly synchronized. But peace in a digital city is always fragile. Suddenly, a bottleneck appeared, a stalled intersection in the data flow. Alerts flared red across the cityscape. Workers froze mid-step, packets piling up as the CPU's cores flickered in urgency. Just when it seemed the system might stumble, a streak of light shot along the rails. The SSD arrived, a lightning-fast courier, clearing traffic instantly and delivering critical data with flawless efficiency. Order was restored. As the system fully booted, the operating system materialized like a new city layer. Icons, folders, and windows floated into existence, guided by the CPU and RAM workers. Above it all, the GPU factory roared awake, painting vibrant textures and visual effects across the digital skyline. Every corner of the city shimmered in color and detail, alive with the pulse of computation. A cursor blinked into existence above the city, reminding everyone that a human's command could arrive at any moment, shifting priorities and demanding new tasks. Yet for now, the city hummed peacefully. CPU settled in its control tower, sipping a virtual cup of coffee. While RAM continued its errands, SSD coordinated deliveries, and the HDD trudged along steadily, carrying its long-term data without complaint. Life in the system had begun, and with it, the digital world would continue to work, to compute, and to respond to every spark of energy that flowed through its circuits. Even in a machine, the rhythm of life persisted, perfectly timed, endlessly moving. A city alive inside a motherboard,